Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of incredibly useful and affordable kitchen gadgets that you can find right on Amazon. These gadgets are designed to make your kitchen life easier, more fun, and, of course, more delicious. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list. A can opener is a classic kitchen tool designed to open sealed cans with a simple, hand-operated mechanism. This can opener has super sharp blades made of high-carbon steel, and they work together with precision gears to smoothly cut the lid every time you turn the handle. You can easily open bottled drinks by gently prying with the hook. This manual can opener is a practical and time-tested tool that has been a staple in kitchens for generations. Its straightforward design and manual operation make it a reliable choice for opening canned goods. A salad spinner is a one-handed, time-saving, and clean way to prepare salads for your family. It has a one-hand press handle and a quick brake button. It washes and dries your greens using high-speed centrifugal force, getting your salad ready for the table effortlessly. The ABS bowl is versatile, it's great for washing and storing vegetables and fruits. This salad spinner quickly and cleanly preps your veggies and fruits, keeping them dry. At the same time, just press the stop button to halt the spinner and enjoy your salad in time. Kitchen food scale is a great way to start measuring your food for better cooking and portion control at home. This kitchen food scale has all the essential features you'd expect. It can weigh down to the gram, has an 11-pound capacity, offers 4 measurement units, and has a smooth surface that's easy to clean. This scale features a sleek and modern design that blends seamlessly with trendy decor. It not only looks great but is also compact and easy to store. This pizza cutter will surprise you with how effortlessly it provides a neat, clean cut through your pizza. Cutting pizza is effortless with this tool. It offers stable vertical pressure and a large cutting wheel for an easy and perfectly controlled cutting process. The pizza cutter wheel includes a blade guard to ensure safe storage when not in use. The unique design of this pizza slicer comfortably fits in your hand and is also a convenient fit in your cutlery drawer. This bottle opener easily opens even the toughest bottle lids, whether they're sealed tightly, childproof, or stuck. This jar opener is mounted under your cabinet, saving counter space and staying accessible when you need it without being obtrusive. Made with sturdy materials and a non-slip grip, this opener securely holds lids of any size. It's designed to need less effort while offering greater stability. This jar opener is a must-have kitchen tool for effortlessly opening jars. This round ice cube mold includes a tray and a lid with small holes. Pour 300 milliliters of your drink into the tray, seal it with the lid, and freeze for 4 hours. You'll have 33 1-inch sphere ice balls in each tray. These ice cube trays are constructed from durable plastic, allowing for easy removal of perfectly round ice cubes compared to silicone molds. These ice cube trays are versatile and can be used for making coffee ice cubes, freezing fruit, preserving seafood, and creating juice ice cubes. Squeeze lemons easily and get lots of juice with this lemon squeezer. It's gentle on your hands and has a special bowl that gets out the most juice. This lemon press is built to last with rust-resistant stainless steel, and it can squeeze all types of lemons and limes. You can make lemonade or marinade in seconds with this citrus squeezer. This convenient lime juicer is easy to store, so you won't have to deal with bulky juicers cluttering your kitchen counter. This meat tenderizer brings out meat's flavor and tenderizes tough cuts, but it's versatile. This mallet is perfect for all meats like beef, veal, chicken, and pork. The flat side makes meats thinner, boosting flavor and reducing cooking time. You can use the ridged side directly on the meat. The ridged side of the mallet has rows of spikes that tear connective tissue, breaking fibers and making meat softer, allowing them to absorb marinades better. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. We'll see you in the next video.